Discord has just released a cool new feature called DM Wallpaper. Just right-click on any friend in your friends list and click DM Wallpaper. This way, you can set any wallpaper in your chat screen. There are literally a ton of them. But it's a Nitro feature, which means you require Nitro for this. I would suggest Discord to keep this as a free feature. But give us another option where we can add our own wallpapers and keep that feature in Nitro. Wouldn't that be cooler? To be honest, this feature isn't very surprising to me because Instagram already has it and they give it for free. But I am glad that Discord is at least trying new stuff. But when was the last time that Discord has given a cool feature to free members? Almost everything is tied behind Nitro. I mean, not everyone can afford a $10 Nitro per month. I think it's about time Discord should make this for free. What are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comment section. This is beta, by the way, so not everyone can see it.